We'll guide you through how to download and install the Facebook Lite mobile app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Facebook Lite is a great version of Facebook because it's a lightweight version of it, meaning it uses minimal storage space and also minimal resources as well. So if you've got a lower end phone, it's going to work well. Make sure this is full guide, we guide you through how it's done. So to get started, open up your phone store like so. Now what you want to do is at the bottom, you'll probably go in a different tab. You need to go and press search. Then you can come to the top and tap on the search bar and you want to go and type in Facebook Lite. Then we've been suggested it, you can go and tap on it. If you look to the right, you have the option for install. So you want to go and tap there, or you can tap it and press install. You can scroll down and read about it as well. It won't take long at all to download because it is a really small app space-wise. So then you can see it's installed. You can press open there, or alternatively, you want to go and swipe up and in your app pages, you should find it. You can go and tap and hold it if you want and add it to the home, or just go and tap on it from here and it'll go and open up. In here, you'll be able to go and create an account or go and log into your existing one if you have one. So in this case, it's already detected, so I can go and press login and we're able to go and start using it really quickly. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with another how-to. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.